But I want to assure you, today, I'm a Nigerian. I believe in Nigeria. I want to give Nigerians hope. I want to ensure that if you say the North have the highest out-of-school children, I want to reduce it. I can deal with it. Why? Those children that decided not go to school have learned Quran. I work with these Islamiyah centers and malams to teach the skills. I'll put the skills. I will meet them at the point. If they can learn Quran, they are very intelligent. And I'll teach them skills. And if I teach them skills, I'll support them because we're going to put money in micro, small businesses. They'll have a business to do. They'll have a future. And when we give them a future, we'll change them. There's a lot we can do to change here. And I'm committed to it. And I want you to tell what I'm doing. And people said to me, what is the manifesto? I said, don't worry. I will give you a manifesto. But I'm telling you what I'll do. And I want you to tape it. And I want you to hold me responsible. I will be in charge. I and Daddy will be in charge. Nobody will find us wanting. We have the physical, we have the mental and physical energy to do this job. And we are ready for it. Let nobody worry about that. I can tell you, we work as a family, we work as a team. Every single day, when I sought him out, I said, Daddy, I'm not choosing you because I'm looking for somebody from the North. No, I'm choosing you because I'm passionate that whoever I'm going to do this will be as passionate as I am to turn around the North and tell them, I keep saying it, the future of Nigeria depends on the North. I will unlock it. Because I want to be able to say, I want to turn the entire Kano into a farmland and use Kano and Kaduna as processing centers. And you will see it happen. Kaduna here is 46,000 square kilometers of land. Kaduna is 2 times, I can tell you countries that are that tiny. We can't go on this way. And that is what I want to solve. That is what we want to change. I assure you, I'm sure you have questions. Please feel free to ask me any question. Feel free. I'm here to clarify and tell you who I am. But most important, you know that this is Peter Obi. I'm a Nigerian. I believe in Nigeria. I live for Nigeria. Every day, all I want now is opportunity to create a new future for Nigeria. Next year's election, I'm pleading with you, should not be based on the perimeters we used before. I don't want you. We are now hiring a new MD for this company called Nigeria.